We're starting another chapter now, and we're going to take a look at a couple of drawing management tools that are quite useful when you're working in your AutoCAD drawings. Now, for the first video, we're going to take a look at the DWG Compare tool. Now, that's available on the Collaborate tab on the ribbon there. There's DWG Compare. Now, before you start looking at DWG Compare, you're going to need two drawings open, which are Simple Objects 001 and Simple Objects 002. Notice Simple Objects 002 is missing the hexagon, and that's deliberate because then we can see the differences between the two drawings when we use DWG Compare. Let's go back to Simple Objects 001. Now, all I've got to do now is click on DWG Compare, and AutoCAD will ask me which drawing do I want to compare it to. So I select Simple Objects 002. Click on Open. And we now go into the DWG Compare mode. You'll notice that this is green now, and these are a grey colour. If I go to the settings here and just pin these open, you'll notice that the hexagon is green because it's only in the current drawing. And where there are no differences, it's grey. And the cloud display at the moment is polygonal. I can change the size of that. I can make it bigger or smaller. I can make it rectangular as well and make it bigger or smaller. Basically, you can tweak those displays to your heart's content to suit what you're looking at. You can also filter hatching and text if you need to in your drawings. You can turn them all on and off, you'll notice as well, like you can with your layers in your Layer Properties Manager. I'll just unpin the settings now, and what we can do now is we can click on these arrows like so, and it will zoom us in to whatever differences there are between the two drawings. Now, there's only one, so if I click on the arrow again, not much will happen, but I can zoom back out again like so. Now, there's some other icons as well. This one here will allow me to import the objects from the compared drawing. Now, in this particular case, that wouldn't work because the objects are in this drawing, Simple Objects 001. And I can also do a comparison DWG and export this comparison out as a separate DWG file if I want to. So what I'm going to do now is do something slightly different. I'm going to close DWG Compare like so, and we're back to where we were before. Going to go into Simple Objects 002 like so, and I'm going to go to DWG Compare again, and I'm going to compare it to 001 this time. Click on Open. Notice it's red this time, which indicates not in current drawing. It also gives me a location, you'll notice, if I hover over it. So now what I could do in Simple Objects 002, I can now import the object that is coming in from the compared drawing. So if I import that and select that object there and press Enter to confirm, you'll notice they're all the same now. They're that grey, remember, in the settings. So there's no differences. They're the same. If I close DWG Compare now, you'll notice we've got a hexagon in Simple Objects 002. And Simple Objects 001 also has the hexagon. DWG Compare is a fantastic tool for management and comparison of your AutoCAD drawings.